culmination of all our hopes and dreams. And we thank you for making it possible for all of us to be here to glorify your name as one united Albertians. We would like to thank our school, St. Albert the Great School, through its administrators. SAGS has become our second home, a place not just of learning and discovery, but also a place of comfort and friendship. We ask you, Lord, to bless our teachers, the fountains of knowledge and understanding in our everyday lives here in school. We know that a simple thank you can never be enough to express our gratitude for their dedication, their passion, and most of all, their patience in dealing with us.